Ready to unlock the full power of your Sony Alpha camera? Today, we're breaking down the absolute best E-mount lenses you can get, so you can capture every shot, from epic landscapes to stunning portraits, and everything in between. Whether you're a beginner looking to upgrade your kit lens or a seasoned shooter searching for that perfect piece of glass, this list will help you find your next favorite lens. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and let me know in the comments which lens you think is the best fit for your style. I love hearing what gear you're using and what you want to see reviewed next. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Sony E16-55mm f2.8G. If you're shooting on a Sony APS-C camera, you've probably come across the older Sony Vario TZR T-Star. E16-70mm f4Z OSS. It's lighter, more affordable, and has built-in optical stabilization, which is great for handheld shooting. But here's the catch. Its f4 maximum aperture can really hold you back in low light, and it doesn't give you as much control over depth of field for those creamy blurred backgrounds. That's where the Sony E16-55mm f2.8G steps in. With a constant f2.8 aperture throughout the zoom range, you get much better low-light performance and more creative options for subject separation. The image quality is excellent. Expect impressive sharpness, strong contrast, and really pleasing bokeh, even wide open. The lens itself feels solid and premium, with a weather-sealed design that makes it reliable for shooting in all kinds of conditions. Whether you're out in the rain, or just dealing with dust and humidity, handling is smooth and refined, with a customizable focus hold button that adds a nice touch of convenience. Autofocus is both fast and accurate, so you can trust it to keep up with moving subjects or quick moments. The only real downside is the lack of optical stabilization, but if your camera has in-body stabilization, that's not a big issue. Overall, the Sony E16-55mm f2.8G is hands down the best standard zoom for Sony APS-C cameras. It delivers professional results in a compact, versatile package, making it a fantastic upgrade from any kit lens. Number 2. Sony FE 135mm f1.8 GM. A lot of people consider the Sony FE 85mm f 1.4 GM2 the ultimate portrait lens, and for good reason. It's a classic focal length with beautiful rendering. But for me, the 135mm version offers something unique. It lets you get closer to your subject while still keeping a comfortable, natural shooting distance. This is perfect for close-up portraits, headshots, or any scenario where you want to compress the background and really make your subject pop. The lens features a premium optical design including XA, Extreme Aspherical, Super ED, and ED elements, plus an 11-blade diaphragm that keeps the aperture beautifully rounded, even when you stop down. The result? Gorgeous, creamy bokeh and outstanding sharpness from edge to edge. Handling is excellent with an aperture control ring and a D-click switch for smooth, silent adjustments. Great for both photo and video work. The autofocus is quick and reliable, locking onto your subject with ease. If you're looking for alternatives, the Samyang AF 135mm f 1.8 FE is a more affordable yet capable competitor. Number 3, Sony FE 24-70mm f2.8G M. To Sony's flagship FE 28-70mm f2GM is often called the best standard zoom lens in their lineup, and it's easy to see why. It's a true masterpiece and arguably the finest full-frame zoom you can buy. But here's the thing. The 24-70mm GM2 delivers nearly the same exceptional performance at a much more accessible price, making it the smarter choice for most photographers. The FE 24-70mm f2.8 GM2 is a standout in the classic 24-70mm f2.8 category. I really appreciate its robust, weather-sealed construction and thoughtful handling features. Like the customizable focus hold button, and dedicated switches for AF/MF and zoom lock. Inside, the lens is packed with advanced optical elements, ensuring outstanding sharpness and clarity across the entire zoom range, even wide open at f/2.8. Autofocus is lightning fast for stills and impressively smooth and quiet for video work, so it's a great option for hybrid shooters. While there's no built-in optical stabilization, this is only a concern if you're using an older Sony body without in-body stabilization. If the price is still a stretch, consider alternatives like the Sigma 24 to 70mm f 2.8 DG/DN Art. Number 4. Sony FE 50mm f1.4 GM. Every photographer needs a nifty 50 in their kit, and the Sony FE 50mm f1.4 is the ideal choice for most Sony shooters who appreciate the natural look of a 50mm prime. It's impressively light and compact, making it easy to carry around for everyday shooting, but it doesn't compromise on optical quality. Center sharpness is excellent, and image quality remains strong right to the edges, even at wide apertures. Unless you need the ultra-fast aperture, extra size, and higher price of the Sony FE 50mm f1.2 G Master, the FE 50mm f1.4 is the smart, versatile pick for everything from street photography to portraits to food shots. Number 5. Sony FE 70 to 200mm of 2.8 G Master OSS A 70 to 200mm f 2.8 lens is arguably the most essential zoom, even for prime lens fans, and the Sony FE 70 to 200mm f 2.8 G Master OSS is a top-tier choice. Its advanced optical design features a double-sided XA element, 2 additional spherical elements, 4 ED elements, and 2 Super ED elements, delivering outstanding image quality with minimal distortion and chromatic aberration. The autofocus system is impressively fast and accurate, thanks to dual linear motors and an RDSSM drive. Handling is excellent, with an autofocus range limiter, customizable focus hold buttons, and dual-mode stabilization for both static and panning shots. For a lighter alternative, consider the Tamron 70 to 180mm f2.8 Di3 VXD, or for a budget-friendly option, the Tamron 70 to 300mm f4.5 to 6.3 Di3 RXD. So, which is the best? If you want unbeatable versatility and pro-level image quality, the Sony FE 24 to 70mm f2.8 GM2 is the top pick. It's the ultimate all-rounder for any Sony Alpha shooter. But honestly, you can't go wrong with any of these lenses. They're all fantastic tools that can help you take your photography to the next level. Let me know your favorite in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more gear reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.